What's up, guys? This is gonna be a really quick video. It's more of an informative video than a DIY or a product review video. Actually, you can count it as a product review video. But a lot of a lot of companies that sell boom arms, they don't sell replacement parts because if you break the mount or you lose the mount or if you lose any part of it, they pretty much want you to have to purchase an entire new boom arm. I reached out to Mount It. MOUNT-IT, Mount It. I reached out to that company to try to get more of these mounts, and they told me they don't sell replacement parts. I reached out to a couple other companies. They don't sell replacement parts. But I found the company online called Moukey or something like that. Moukey. They actually sell these replacement mounts. And they're fairly cheap. They're like 2 for $16 or some shit like that. Anyways, this is the replacement mount, and they're actually pretty durable. That's actually what I have this mounted to right now. Works just fine. $15. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a replacement mount, get online, look up this company. I'll put a link in the description. Moukey, like monkey, but without the N. Anyways, they sell replacement mounts. Don't go buy an entire new boom arm mount or an entire new boom arm just because you lost the mount or because you need a replacement mount. Anyways, if you like this video, if this helped you guys at all, if this helped anyone in this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Even if it didn't help you, make sure you subscribe. Anyways, I hope it does help you guys out. I hope it saves you some money. I'm out.